Today has been set aside by the United Nations as World Teacher Appreciation Day. And I don't know that we have the words individually or even as a collective, as a ministry, to adequately express our gratitude to the hundreds of teachers who continue to toil daily just to ensure that they shape citizens who will take their rightful places in society tomorrow. I've made the point elsewhere that a teacher's compensation can never be sufficient in terms of dollars and cents. And everything that we can do individually and as a sector to say thanks to teachers, please let us do so. For me and for the permanent secretary, the government, today is more than just wearing the uniform of your alma mater. We want more than that. We want for you today to reach out to a teacher, somebody who would have taught you, whether at the infant level or the secondary level, and to say thank you to them for the manner in which they would have impacted your life. Also take the opportunity, those of you who have children, to reach out to the teachers of your children and tell them that you are pleased, you are satisfied with what they do on a daily basis as far as nurturing your own child is concerned. We at the ministry, we are at the command center, so to speak, and the teachers are in the field as missionaries, preaching our doctrine, subscribing to our message. And so we must always, at every opportunity, see them as extensions of the Ministry of Education. And I use the word extension here advisedly. This is not in any way saying that they have less importance than those of us who happen to operate from the waterfront. But equally and very importantly, any success that can be realized in the education sector, it must be predicated on the commitment and dedication of the hundreds of teachers we have in our school system. And so I will implore you, when a teacher leaves Soufre, Vieux Fort, Grosile, or Debarra, and they journey to the Ministry of Education, whether it is to receive a salary slip or to just seek information, I implore you to reach out and give them the best possible service you are capable of dispensing in your respective positions. There are too many horror stories where teachers complain that the service they got at the Ministry of Education was, for want of a better word, horrible and never made them feel appreciated considering the efforts that they continue to put out on a daily basis for this country. So today, let us salute our teachers because they will forever remain indispensable in the whole scheme of national development. Other sectors deal with infrastructure and they deal with solid matter. Teachers touch lives in very delicate ways, but more often than not, the impression they make are indelible and they influence children, not just during the time period that the children spend in the care of the teacher, but for many, many decades to come into adulthood. So you will join me with 3 cheers for the teachers of our country. Hip hip! Hooray! Now students on the campaign trail, we did better than that. Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip!